We just want you to know that when you're cleaning house, Boss takes every step that you do. And he is always this close to you when you're cleaning. I don't want you to be surprised because I wasn't kidding when I said if you go from the refrigerator to the stove, come here, Boss, that he's just always with you. Okay, and sit. I mean, you love him, we love him dearly, but he is always with you. Huh. Sometimes if you hold a toy up or a sponge up, he loves his toys. So he'll get confused and he'll think that that's a toy. So every once in a while, he thinks a sponge is a ball. But he is unbelievably sweet. We just wanted you to know that cleaning house is going to be a totally different experience now with this big old lug. All right, happy Thanksgiving.